Hi, I'm Sarah from Eagle Protect, and I'll be discussing how disposable gloves can become contaminated during manufacturing. Hazards can be created when manufacturers attempt to cut costs. These can cause microbial and chemical contamination of gloves and reduce their physical durability. This video highlights these critical control points of glove manufacturing. Glove manufacturing uses an abundance of hot water, and clean water sources are not always available. Water can be contaminated from agricultural fertilizers and pesticides, industrial wastewater, and animal and human sewage. To further reduce costs, factories may not heat water sufficiently to clean tanks or kill microbes, and can reuse dirty, contaminated water. Ceramic hand-shaped formers pass through hot water and bleach to clean them and remove any residue from the previous production. The formers are then cleaned with brushes and dried with filtered air. If the water temperature or chlorine concentration is inadequate, or if the wash water or brushes aren't cleaned properly, microbial contamination may occur. The formers are first dipped into polymer tanks, and then into tanks of nitrile vinyl or latex. The gloves are vulcanized or heat-treated in an oven to increase elasticity and strength. The chemical quality and purity of the polymer, along with the glove's overall raw materials, can vary widely. To reduce costs, cheap and toxic ingredients and fillers are added, affecting the glove's durability and performance, and can also introduce skin irritants to the wearer. Next, gloves are rinsed in multiple leaching tanks filled with hot water to remove unwanted chemical residue. This is an expensive process as temperatures must be high enough to kill any microbes that are present. If wash tank water temperature is reduced, existing microbes survive. Factories can also reduce the number of times the gloves are washed or the frequency wash tanks are cleaned, allowing for contamination. Gloves are dried in a pre-stripping oven before being stripped from the formers. If ovens are not heated sufficiently or drying times reduced, moisture can remain on the gloves and pathogenic mold can form if packaged in a moist condition. Lastly, the disposable gloves are packed into boxes. Modern manufacturing facilities automatically pack gloves, which removes a stage of contamination. There are different hygienic standards of manual packing rooms. Not all look like this. We weren't allowed to take videos of the open air or unsanitary packing rooms we visited. Unhygienic and unsanitary conditions for workers can introduce human skin and is another source of fecal contamination. Open-air packing rooms in high humidity conditions can expose the new gloves to airborne bacteria and insect contamination, and again increase moisture levels, leading to fungus formation. Producing quality, top-performing gloves involves high-technology manufacturing standards with robust quality control procedures. Contact Eagle Protect to find out more about Eagle Gloves, the ultimate products to safeguard your business and protect you from the unnecessary risks of glove contamination. Thanks for watching.